Hello, good day, viewers. Still about this trend in arithmetics. 6 divided by 2. Under the parentheses, we have 2 plus 1. A lot of people have different perception about the result. While other people are saying the result is 1, other people like us are saying it must strictly be equal to 9. And the only reason we have this different perception is because of the parentheses. A lot of people do not know how to utilize parentheses. This parenthesis is very dangerous in arithmetics. Once you misuse it, there is an able tendency to get a wrong result. So let me show you. I think previously we have used board math. So in this tutorial, I'm going to apply the idea of PEMDAS. PEMDAS. P stands for the parenthesis. E stands for the exponent. But remember that multiplication and division are carried out simultaneously, starting with anyone that comes first from left to right. The same thing to addition and subtraction. If you see subtraction before addition from left to right, please carry out that operation. All right, but what is this P stands for? It means what? Parenthesis. So that is where we have this different perception. Remember, if you have 2 multiplied by x plus 1, for example, 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 1 is 2. Did you know what I have just did? This is called distribution. In mathematics, we call this distribution. But this P does not mean distribution. It means what? Only parentheses. Simplify what is right inside that parenthesis. It does not mean you should distribute, because the relationship between the parenthesis and the number outside is multiplication. But this P is telling us to simplify what is right inside. It does not mean to expand, to distribute. Some people do fail this problem because they believe this P stands for 2 times whatever inside. No, it means what is inside should be simplified. This is parenthesis. The whole of this is our parenthesis, right? So what is inside is just 2 plus 1, which is 3. So we can write this one according to PEMDAS as 6 divided by 2. In parenthesis, we have 3. But there's nothing under the parenthesis if not 3. So we have finished dealing with our parentheses. So you can confidently remove it. Yes, because the relationship between the number outside and the parentheses is multiplication. Just replace it with multiplication. No doubt. Then we have no exponent, that is powers, like to the power of 2, power of 3, and so on. But I told you multiplication and division are carried out simultaneously. You should start with anyone that comes first. So we have division before multiplication, hence we have to divide. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then we still have times 3. And finally, this gives us what? 9. But I'm going to show you why other people are getting 1 instead. Did you know that this particular question is different from 6 divided by 2 plus 1? They are entirely different. This is telling us 6 should divide the whole of this. This is why I told you misuse of parentheses may give you wrong answers. So because of this bracket, it means what 6 should divide whatever you have inside this bracket. We have a parenthesis here and a bracket. So you know I told you bracket parenthesis can always utilize this P. So this is 2 plus 1 is 3, so we have 3. We still have 2 outside. The whole of this should be divided by 6. And this, I told you, is multiplication. And because they are under bracket, you have to still simplify what is right inside. This time, this will give us 6. We still have divide by 6 outside. And you know that 6 divided by 6 will give us 1. So this is why other people are getting 1. And while other people are still getting 1 because they believe parenthesis means we should distribute. So for those that distributed, we'll still get 1. And for those that also naturally or artificially introduce this bracket, we'll still get 1, which is very wrong. The relationship between 2 and this bracket or parenthesis is multiplication. And because we have multiplication and division, you have to carry out the one that comes first, which is division before multiplication. Despite having m for multiplication, you have to start with division because it comes first before multiplication. So this is just the difference between them, but I told you 9 is the most accurate answer here. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.